In 2010, I was scheduled to have knee surgery by another doctor. And my mother-in-law was reading the Oakland Press, and she came up with a program that Dr. Declaire had in the press about having a seminar here at the hospital. And she thought I should come and see it. So I come down, I went through the seminar with him. I was sold on his program. I changed doctors, and I had my surgery here with Dr. Declaire. My left knee was giving me a lot of pain, a lot of problems, and it needed to be replaced. I had severe pain and difficulty walking on it, and I knew something had to be done. I have a small farm, I do a lot of hay work, I ride horse, and I do a lot of work, and it was just getting to the point where I couldn't stand it anymore. The surgery was fine. It was I would say the old expression, a piece of cake. Compared to the pain that I had prior to the surgery went fine. It was even nicer than I thought it was going to be. I have no problem with the surgery. I guess I can stand somewhat pain because I lived with it for so long. But the surgery and the care afterwards was fantastic. It was good. The recovery didn't take as long as I thought it was going to. I was in the hospital for like 2.5 days, and when I got home, I was on a walker for about a day, and then I walked around with a cane, and I put that away, and I just started walking. Within a week, I don't know if I was supposed to be, but in a week, I was out back in the barn doing chores. I was walking around in it, very gingerly, but I was walking around and getting things done. It wasn't a problem. The pain, there was no pain. It was great. I came back to Dr. Declaire's physical therapy, but at home I was probably doing more than I should have done. At the physical therapist, the girls were just great. We worked on the bicycle. We laid on the table and did stretches, walked the stairways, up and down the stairways. I'm trying to think all the things that did. Leaned on the wall and did with a ball, and did the knee bends, and it was very good physical therapy. It was so good that I had the second knee done. I come back and did a repeat. I am pain-free after having both knee surgeries. When the second knee started going about 1.5 years later, there was not a question. I wasn't going to go through the pain that I went through the other knee. I come right in and I said, let's get this one done. I'm not going to suffer for 6 months and then get it done. Let's get it done. And it's just as good an experience as the first one. I recommend it to anyone to have it done if they've had the pain like I've had. I have recommended Dr. Declaire. I think 10 other people have come down here and had their knees done, and not one of them come back and are mad at me for it.